Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can contact Etsy support. It's very simple and easy, so make sure to watch this video from now till the very end. Now recently on one of my previous videos, what we did is we have closed the account, so we can show you how you can close one. In order to reopen it, I totally showed you the first method, which is by logging in, but there was a problem that I couldn't log in and I needed to contact the support. So when I tried to contact the support, let me show you what it gave me exactly. So when I'm going to try to contact, it is just like this. I'm going to use my similar account, the same account. They are going to give me this. So the link of the support is not going to work unless I am connected. So the first thing that you need to do is to connect to a new Etsy account. So sign in, continue with Google, and choose another account that you have within Etsy. So simply click on continue and it will be all set up and logged in. The second thing that you need to do, then go back to your link and click on it. And this should give you the access to the help center. And now simply just get a help from here. As you will be seeing, click whatever problem you have and simply choose exactly what kind of help. You can click on the help center like this so you can get back to this page and simply choose whatever question you have in here and put it down. And in case you had a problem with account, you can click here, account sign in and password, and simply here I can sign into my account and they will tell you everything as a solution in this area. In case you couldn't find the solution, then your final thing to do is to contact support, which is by clicking on this button, and here they will try to help you out. It's very easy and simple. That was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.